My name's Alex Jeffrey. I'm one of the clockmakers here working full-time at the Palace of Westminster, and I've had the privilege of working on the Big Ben project that you see behind me.
I'm from Germany, and the only thing we know about London is basically Big Ben.
I find Big Ben is a fantastic icon of the UK.
I associate it with Parliament, which is really important in this country because we run a democracy here in the UK.
To me, Big Ben is a great tourist attraction. It helps me to take pride in being from London, being from England, seeing so many people visit here.
Reminds you I'm on time, reminds you I'm late, might need to get a little jog on.
I think it's a beautiful piece of architecture.
Well, I've worked here for 12 years and Big Ben is just so much a part of Parliament.
We'd like you to build your own tower inspired by Big Ben. We want this to be creative and all about you. So you can build it out of whatever you like. We want you to think about what's important to you, your friends and family, or the area that you live.
I would make a huge cake as a Big Ben looks and invite all of my friends, all of my neighbors to eat it together.
Oh, well, I used to love Lego when I was a child, so I'd definitely build it out of Lego.
Mine would be probably out of dolls because I just loved dolls growing up.
Blueberries, I love blueberries, and I'm not sure how many blueberries you'd need to build a Big Ben tower, but I'd like to try.
I would build a Big Ben out of old Oyster cards. I've got a whole load of pile in my cupboard. So Oyster cards and old travel cards.
Chocolate hobnobs, that would be my tower.
I'm from Trolley, and Trolley are famous for their Trolley Cake, so maybe from the Trolley Cake I'd make ours.
Well, I think being Scottish, it would have to be haggis. So I'm afraid it would be a bit squidgy.
I would build out of recyclable material, maybe some recyclable plastics, because I think that there's a lot of food waste and waste of plastics going on right now.
Well, when I was a little girl, we used to make things out of macaroni and then spray paint them gold.
I think I would also make movable clock arms out of jelly beans.
I've loved working on this project. It's been such a privilege, but I cannot wait to see what you come up with. So get involved, good luck, enjoy it.